Are you prepared to embrace the thrill of high-speed adventure? Look no further than Exotic Cars, where we celebrate the art of velocity, acceleration, and power at your fingertips. Our luxurious vehicles offer unparalleled performance, precision handling, and sumptuous interiors designed to envelop you in comfort. So buckle up and take a deep breath. Let's ride along. A legendary return. It's been over 50 years since Ferrari last unveiled a classic front-engined, soft-top Grand Tourer, a genre that defined the essence of luxury and performance. The Roma Spider's arrival marks a triumphant return to this heritage, embodying La Dolce Vita, the sweet life. Ferrari's first soft-top in 2 decades, the Roma Spider draws inspiration from the iconic 365 GTS/4 Daytona Spider of the early 1970s, with a sleek design that pays homage to the glory days of open-top touring. The wait has been worth it, as the Roma Spider brings a new level of sophistication and elegance to the Ferrari family. Exterior personalization. Personalization is at the heart of every Ferrari purchase, and the Roma Spider offers a wealth of options to make your vehicle truly unique. Choose from 26 paint colors, including a range of classic Ferrari hues and modern metallic shades. The 5 fabric roof options include a striking red technical fabric that adds a unique texture and depth to the car's appearance, shimmering in the light and giving the top a life of its own. The Roma Spider also debuts an exclusive turquoise exterior color, Celeste Trevi, inspired by the famous Roman fountain, adding a touch of Italian flair to the design. With numerous wheel designs, brake caliper colors, and interior trim options, every Roma Spider can be tailored to its owner's taste. You can also add carbon fiber aerodynamic elements, advanced technology features, both inside and outside. Interior. Speaking of inside, the Roma Spider's front cabin is identical to the Roma Coupe's, offering a comfortable and adjustable seating position, even for taller drivers. Our seats featured full power adjustment, heating, and ventilation. While the seating position is low, the vision is good, especially with the roof down. However, the top can impede rear quarter vision when closed. The 2+2 seating layout provides compact rear seats suitable for young children, but not ideal for adults due to the deep and upright backrest. With the rear seats unoccupied, the space can be utilized for storage, and the integrated rear diffuser can be deployed. Interior ventilation. The rear diffuser, activated by a switch on the center console, flips up the rear backrest to create a shelf-like structure that settles the air swirling over the windscreen and into the passenger cabin. This feature can be used at speeds up to 170 km/h and can remain open indefinitely. However, the difference in cabin ambience is noticeable even at slower speeds. With the diffuser open and windows up, conversations with passengers can be enjoyed at any legal speed. While the dash-mounted switch for the diffuser can be a bit fiddly, it operates consistently. The flap can be closed by pushing it down, even while driving. When open, a load-through hatch into the boot is accessible, allowing for impromptu purchases. The boot itself, 255L, has space for soft overnight bags and features a safe area load cover that can reserve room for the roof when open or provide extra space for successful shopping trips. With the Roma Spider, Ferrari has masterfully orchestrated a symphony of style and technology. The roof, a beautifully engineered 5-layer fabric masterpiece, opens and closes with grace and precision, even at speeds of up to 60 km/h. in a mere 13.5 seconds. When closed, it seals the cabin with remarkable tightness, silencing wind noise and creating a serene atmosphere. A minor quibble. While the Roma Spider's driver-focused cabin excels in usability during driving, there are some ergonomic drawbacks to note. Specifically, the window controls can be somewhat fiddly, requiring individual operation, one switch per side for front and rear quarter windows, or risking accidental roof movement when attempting to control all windows simultaneously using the roof mechanism. This can be inconvenient and less than ideal, especially when roof movement is not intended. Infotainment. Meanwhile, the infotainment system shines like a superstar, boasting an 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen that's as responsive as a Ferrari on the track. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto join the party, wirelessly connecting your device and seamlessly integrating navigation, music, and climate control. The passenger gets their own 8.8-inch color touchscreen, a luxurious amenity that lets them control the experience without disturbing the driver's focus. The 16-inch driver's display is a visual stunner, with a digital tachometer and multi-information pods that dance across the screen like a high-performance ballet. While the steering wheel buttons aim to streamline ergonomics, we found them a tad finicky. But that's a small quibble in an otherwise phenomenal package. With so many features to explore, you'll want to take your time getting acquainted with this Italian beauty. Safety and security, a top priority underscore. While the Ferrari Roma Spider hasn't undergone crash testing by NCAP or Euro NCAP, its robust design and cutting-edge safety features provide reassuring protection for drivers and passengers. In the event of a rollover, an integrated protection system springs into action, deploying from the rear tonneau to shield occupants. As one of the pioneering Ferrari models to boast advanced driver assistance technology, the Roma Spider offers an impressive array of safety innovations. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a comprehensive ADS package. This suite of features encompasses front radar for precision cruise control, rear radar for blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert, front camera for lane keeping assistance. With these advanced safety features, the Roma Spider sets a new standard for luxury and security on the road. Maintenance and ownership, a luxury experience. As a proud Ferrari owner, you'll enjoy a complimentary 7-year service package, ensuring your Roma Spider remains in pristine condition. Scheduled maintenance is due every 12 months or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And we suspect the latter will be the case for most enthusiasts. Insurance quotes are tailored to individual needs, so you'll need to consult a specialist underwriter or broker to secure comprehensive coverage for your prized possession. Ferrari estimates the Roma Coupe's combined fuel consumption at 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers. While the Spider's figures are not yet available, let's be real. Fuel efficiency is not the primary concern when driving a Ferrari. However, the car's comfort mode does prioritize fuel saving, swiftly selecting the highest gear possible to minimize consumption. We observed a remarkably low 1,000 RPM at 80 km/h, making even a twin-turbo V8 relatively frugal. So, while fuel efficiency might not be a top priority, the Roma Spider still offers a surprisingly sensible side. A relative luxury underscore. Ferrari's Roma Coupe boasts an estimated 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers on a combined cycle, according to the manufacturer's claims. While the Spider's fuel efficiency figures are still under wraps, it's worth noting that tracking fuel consumption might require some creative math at the pump, as the car's trip meter displays don't provide a fuel use report. Let's face it, when you're driving a Ferrari, fuel efficiency takes a backseat to the thrill of the ride. However, the Roma Spider's comfort mode does prioritize fuel saving, swiftly shifting into the highest gear possible to minimize consumption. Impressively, we observed a remarkably low 1,000 RPM at 80 km/h, making even a powerful twin-turbo V8 relatively economical. So, while fuel efficiency might not be top of mind, the Roma Spider still offers a pleasantly surprising level of frugality. A symphony of power and refinement underscore. The Ferrari Roma Spider is a masterclass in driving dynamics, effortlessly blending grand touring comfort with sports car prowess. With its 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 456 kW and 760 Nm, this sleek convertible devours winding roads with ease, leaving even the most humble of obstacles in its wake. The engine's flexibility is remarkable, transitioning seamlessly from docile cruising to exhilarating acceleration, all while the 8-speed F1 dual-clutch transmission works in harmony to deliver silky smooth shifts. In comfort mode, the Roma Spider is a relaxed and effortless companion, but switch to sport or race, and the transformation is palpable. The car becomes a willing partner, always in the right gear, and ready to unleash its fury at a moment's notice. The exhaust note, while not as piercing as some of its predecessors, still provides an oral feast of growls, cracks, and whooshes that heighten the driving experience. The rear spoiler, discreetly integrated into the boot lid, works its magic behind the scenes, providing additional downforce and stability at high speeds. Meanwhile, the adaptive dampers, mildly retuned from the coupe, continue to impress with their ability to balance comfort and communication, making even the most challenging roads a breeze to navigate. With its bumpy road setting, the Roma Spider becomes even more confident and comfortable, tackling rough surfaces with ease, while its side-slip traction control ensures precise cornering and a hint of oversteer under acceleration. On the open road, this Ferrari convertible proves itself a true sports car, with blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling that leaves you grinning from ear to ear. Make no mistake, the Roma Spider is a boulevard cruiser with a wild side, and it's an absolute joy to drive. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos.